So today our activity is all about tasting and fine motor skills. So Hazik, let's start from it here and you have to squeeze it. Squeezing is going to help develop his fine motor skills like this. Let me help you. Let me tell you how. Give me the marker. Look. Just press it and you go down, okay? Here you go. Very nice. Superb. It is a very good activity to develop fine motor skills. Very good, Hazik. Very good. Super good. These squeezable bottles are easily available in the market. Come on, Hazik. Do it. Let's squeeze, let's press, and let's follow the line. And good job, Hazik. Press it, squeeze the glitters out. Let's do it. Yes. Good job. Always assist the children. It helps them to boost their confidence and stay on the track. Let's press squeeze. Come on, Hazik. Good job. Squeezy, squeezy, squeezy. You're snipping papers. You can flip it. Yeah. Now Hazik is going to do another activity with the same page, which is he's going to cut the paper, snip the paper. Good job. Very good. Very good. These activities are very beneficial to develop fine motor skills in the hand. Good job. Good try. Slowly, gradually, children would get hang of it. It's a very engaging activity, and easily these things are available at home. You can do it at home as well. Well done. Super good. Wow. Good job. You can see how he's engaged for good 5 minutes. Another activity he will be doing is going to draw straight lines with the help of the ruler. This will help him create more pencil grip and learn about the lines. Very good. Oopsie. Very good, Hazik. Now, can you tell me which one is your straight line? All of these lines, which one is the straight line of all? I think this is it. Yes. Let's draw more. Hmm. What are you trying to make with these lines, Hazik? Hmm? Okay, now you can, yes, try this. Make a sleepy line. Very good. What are you trying to make, Hazik? It's his creativity that's coming out now. Let the children be as creative as they want to be. Wow. What is this?
Slide.
It's a slide? Nice. So it's his creativity that he says he's trying to draw a slide. Now, can you make a flower?
Yeah.
Okay. Arrow है ये तो. This is an arrow. Wow. What's this?
Plant.
Friend?
Friend.
Wow.